anyone who has been observing the political life of this country since February 2016, who could deny a simple obvious fact that the current government came to office on a platform of promises, every one of which has been broken today. Every single one of which. The first promise was that they were going to give out 18,000 a month and raise the tax threshold without taxation. That was the first one given and the first one broken. Because the entire country has had to face a $30 billion tax package. All who don't pay no tax will get no, all who don't get no salary have to pay the tax. All who don't have no work have to pay the tax. There was a promise to double the minimum wage. Come with the same package. Let's stop talking about that one. Let's go stop talking about prosperity. Because the price of everything, because of the tax package, has gone up. And inflation, which is what they call price rise, has been going up. Food gone out of the reach of ordinary people. Electricity bills up. Transport costs up. And this is perhaps the most difficult back to school period that the country has